What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video that I didn't plan on making, but I'm up super early, so let's get on with it anyway. So first up, we have this 1.9 foot-pounds of impact energy hammer drill. And one thing when you're looking at rotary hammer drills, you want to make sure they have a hammer-only function. So this would be like a chisel function. A lot of them don't have it. DeWalt has some. They're smaller ones that are 1 inch or under. They generally don't have the hammer function, which is kind of, to me, defeats the purpose. Sure, they'll still hammer drill just fine, but you want one that also can act like a chisel or an air hammer. This will eliminate the need for an air hammer. So this one comes with the rotary hammer drill, the charger, and 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Now, you also get with a free gift, as a free gift, you get an impact driver. All right, and this appears to be the Freak. So you get a Freak impact driver, and the cost of that one is $296.07. That's not bad at all, considering like the DeWalt 1 inch that doesn't have the chisel function is $200. All right, I think it might be a little bit more than that, but I know I had bought mine on a BOGO. It was like hacked at Home Depot, ended up being $200, and it wasn't worth it at all. So you're getting quite a bit for your $296 here. Moving on, we have this big boy Bosch rotary hammer drill. This Pro Factor, this 1 5/8 inch rotary hammer drill that produces 6.7 foot-pounds of impact energy and comes with an 8-amp-hour battery and a charger. This thing is normally $629, but right now it's on sale for $399. So if you needed something this big, I mean, you breaking up little boulders with this. There you go for $399. Also, of course, you have your Rakuten over here at Lowe's. But if you've already signed up for Rakuten and gotten your bonus, because if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a $30 bonus on top of the 2%. Use Retail Me Not because they're offering 6% cash back. Now, before we move on over to Toolbarn, I just want to say, if you're liking this video, leave me a like. It'll cost you nothing. Share it with your brethren so that they can take advantage of some of these deals, and consider subscribing so you'll miss any deals in the future. Now, they're having a Metabo HPT clearance. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to the main page so you can go through it yourself if you see some things that you might need, but I wanted to pick out some things myself. Now, as a contrast to the Bosch that we just saw, they do have this Metabo HPT rotary hammer drill, and this thing was normally more than $419, but it's on sale for $349. It doesn't come as a kit at all. All right, and it's a 1 9/16 inch, and I'm just showing you guys this just to show how much value you're getting from that Bosch over there. But if we come on over, we have some impact wrenches on sale, and this is a 3/4 inch impact wrench for $224. This thing produces 812 foot-pounds. It just says a max torque, but when they show you just that one number, that's a fastening. I'm not sure why they're not showing the nut busting torque over here. There we go, 1328 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Lifetime warranty. There's a 36-volt tool, so that means it can run off of AC and DC, but you'll need the adapter to run it off of AC to be able to plug it into the wall. So really good deal there. We also have a 1/2 inch impact wrench that's slightly weaker than the 3/4 inch, and this is on sale for $189. Also, again, 36-volt tool, so it could be used using AC or DC, and also has a lifetime warranty. It is those two things, the lifetime warranty and the ability to use these tools on a battery or plugging into the wall, that makes them worth the price of admission here. And finally, we also have the mid torque for $157. Same deal, 36-volt tool with a lifetime warranty and can be ran off AC and DC. Now, coming over here to Direct Tools, we have this Ryobi sales up to 45% off. I think it's 45. Yeah, I see 45 right there. And you can go through this and see if it's anything you like. A lot of people did like the Ryobi Link system. I was never even considering it just for the colors alone. But they do have this 7 1/4 inch miter saw for $79.99. Just remember that they have a flat rate shipping. Let's make sure it didn't go up, because yeah, it's still $14.99, so not a terrible deal there. And there you have it for this short Saturday video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.